I gotta meet the man himself who owns this little farm right here, so. What that? Alright. Alright, so right now we're there. Now look, Coop right here, so. Show you guys what I go on the same way. It's a small farm, I do everything, you know. You understand? It's all about the process. So right there we have some chicken. So right now, come out, you need some water now. Yeah, man. And that one there, so too. So how much time I feed you think them drink water?
3 times to 4 times for the day, you know.
Yeah, full list.
Yeah, because this is full already from morning and then drink it off now. We are over time now.
Around 10, 15.
Alright, so.
And around 3 them inside right here, so right?
Yes, by 1 o'clock now, then drink out this water.
They drink water fast then, man. Yeah, man, so you just line up some water for them? Yeah. Dry. All the one you don't need to dry it, you know? Step on. No water. So them thing here, people, you have to keep on attend to them because them foliage drink water all. I swear. Let's load them up and fill them up. You can get some water. Yeah. I'm not saying drink water hard for you. Yeah. Yeah, I'll check. You know. I think you have to keep on attend to them because enough of them in there no more. Go leave. How much?
250.
About 250. So about how much bag could I feed him now right now for your 100 chicken?
20 bags for a week. 20 bags.
20? Yeah, man. So, you know, so now around 250 of them. So, you know, so around probably around how much bag? 50?
Yeah, 50 bags.
Yeah. So, for the feed now right now, whatever feeding, them feed pan?
You must do something you crush.
Crush one them?
Yeah.
Like when you small pan a stage here?
Yeah.
Right.
So then you took a bigger and give them the bigger grain.
The bigger grain?
Yeah.
Then you start to eat faster?
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, man. See there? Enough. Enough, man.
You smell so wine? I keep cleaning the bar.
Yeah. Yeah, man, I have to keep clean.
With your finger. Just up.
I'm teeth.
You feel the slime?
Yeah. I water in there.
Yeah, more sour, man. You think you're breaking something we have to pay attention to, you know?
Yeah, make sure them always clean. Yeah, I like how it a deal with, man. Yeah. Because some people don't really clean anything, you know, just put water in it and eat that. Yeah, some people don't really do that. Understand? They have to do it the right and proper way. Make sure so them get good water, clean water to drink. Yeah, man.
Better meat.
For real. And the water grow them too, you know, and the feed, you know. Yeah, because I think we drink water hard, you can see. If you don't get no water, I'm going to dehydrate it. Because feeding. Yeah, feeding dry. Can't see it, man. Dry feeding dry, so you need water. And get boots, sir. Like now or after?
Yeah. Oh, you do drag it at the from morning, yeah, the first thing.
Why didn't get here already? Yeah. Oh. Say we'll go on. Tight. So I finally see water now. I'm putting a pick, you know. They're not a pick. Oi. Oi, oi. Oi. Yeah, man. So I'm going to eat up. Some of us are going to sleep. And they are both. So let me see eat down this right here, so. Continue to eat fast, you know. Watch it. So let me swim water now. I say I really want the water. And them here is a young chicken, probably about how much week old?
They're coming in 2 weeks.
About 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so them are about 2 weeks old right now. Hello, hello? Hello? See if they want to pick. Hello? Eat. Eat up. Eat up, eat up. I want it to eat. Yeah, man, so them go and relax. So when you just wake up. So right now, feed there, you can fold this I want 2 times. As you can see, we have 1 pan right here, feeding pan. And we have 1 up there, so. And we have to have a lot more water, as you can see right now. So rest are going to flip the water them, so we're going to bring in. Yeah, put it down here, so. Yeah. Alright. Get wild. So there's some water now. You can see them well thirsty. Eh? Well swam it. And get some here. I'm the one here in the dead. Oh, I'm not dead. No, move. I'm the one here living. Oh, you can dead though. Go look on him.
Look a baby one.
Oh, him look stiff, sir.
You know. This one died.
I know.
Another long time did not die, you know.
Yeah, because I move. What I go me touch him, you know. Do you know? Quite impress him out, man, or something. Alright, hungry. Yes, guys, so right now chicken just get some water, right? Them are feeding right now. What them are going to eat. Can you see right there, so them well swam the water, right? So basically, how much time for the day you have to like check on them to see if the water run out or things like that. 3 times for the day.
Yeah.
Right. I know so them things you have to take special care. If you not attend to them as how you want to, you might find some of them probably are dead and things like that. So you man have to keep on give feeding to them. And water, which is most important. And by later that can serve by later.
I eat out that one.
Eh.
By night, you come on and eat out.
By night. Yeah. And it seems like say the more them grow and the more them eat.
The more them grow.
Yeah. And the more them grow and the more they eat more. Yeah man, me watch them. So it's small grain this.
Yeah.
Fresh one.
Yeah. You can't pick up the big grain now.
Yeah, can it get more bigger?
This amount we have now, the big one we want to buy.
Oh.
Coaster one.
Coaster grain.
Yeah.
Right. So you guys can basically stay tuned because I'm basically showing you some more update on that, right? So make sure you like this video and people subscribe if you want to see more content like this, you understand? Actually when it get bigger and when we are going to actually kill them, you understand? You must want water.
The whole of the water.
Fast.
Yeah, you know, see the trees up of the water they done.
Yeah. Actually time more hot too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Time more hot.
The water is small.
So you drink more water right now than you feeding.
See them going to lie down at the sunlight up to now.
Yeah.
You see them?
See it, man. Yeah, so don't want to spread out.
Yeah.
I take sun. Watch it like a beach in the pan. Go and spread out. Watch it pan one day I take sun. Yeah man, so then go on man. Watch it man. Watch it one day. Or you cock up foot and I spread out. Them not easy, you know. So I'm going easy. Yes guys, so basically I'm showing you guys a farm. I'm showing you guys the coop right here, the little chicken them, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Like this video, share it with your friends, and stay tuned and you will see my next video, right? So make sure keep it locked. Peace out.